are you today? Today I am all miss you. Very long time no see. Okay, today we learn using Microsoft computers. Okay, so we make computer, keyboard, speaker, and mouse. Okay. Now first we make monitor. Okay. This is 6 blocks 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You make these types of 3 walls. Okay. Then we put light. Okay. Then we put this way. And top also. This side, and this side. You put blue block. Then you put this side, this side. Also this block. Then we put this side and this side. This block. Yellow, 6 block. Oh. It is not fitting, but I fit. Okay, it is fitting. Then we make a stand. A stand and really busy. First we take this. Then we take this. Then we take this. This is our stand. Our monitor is done. Okay. Then we take mouse. We take 2 orange blocks, then 1 red block, and you have these shapes of blocks, so you can pick it. I am putting this block. And you don't have this block, so you can block this yellow block. Okay. Then the mouse is done. This is a okay friends, now I am making keyboard. First you have this 3 blocks, then the 3 blocks. For strong keyboard, so we put this block. If it's not fixing, so I am fixing. Okay. Then we put this block, then this, then this, then this. Keyboard. So I am telling about names. This is CPU. This is the mother of computer. This is monitor. Okay. Yes. This is the keyboard. Keyboard for use typing and operating things. And mouse is also used for operating things. The CPU is not here, so computer is not working. Okay, bye friends. Bye. But then, okay, my CPU is on, so game is on, so I'm playing. Yeah! It's this.